Sriram, congratulations on winning your last round game, which also qualified you to take part in the forthcoming World Cup at Khati Mansingh. How would you analyze this game?
Thank you so much for your wishes. Today was a very tense game. I played against the guy from Maldives and it was a long game. Finally I managed to win, and apart from my game I had to keep a watch on the game of Mr. Ratnakaran, who was having the same points as me. But in the end he lost the game, and so I'm clear champion. So I'm very happy with this result.
You remain unbeaten throughout the championship. Which particular game was your best and which one gave you a tough time?
I won against two grandmasters in this tournament, Mr. Praveen Thipse and Mr. Ziaur Rahman of Bangladesh. Both games I played with white pieces, and both the opponents were very experienced and tough opponents. So those two games are memorable for me, and I'll remember them for a very long time.
And which one do you think was a tough game?
Well, I drew a very bad position against Nilotpal Das. I was almost lost. I drew after a marathon game of 65 moves. So I was very lucky in that game. I think that was the toughest game for me.
Now that you have qualified for the World Cup, how do you intend to prepare for the same?
The World Cup will be an extremely tough event. All the top players of the world are playing. Only Anand will be absent. Otherwise, all the top players are playing. So I have qualified just today. So within a week I'll start my preparations for the tournament.
You have also got your second GM norm at the championship. When do you think you will be India's next GM?
Well, I am going to Malaysia next week to play an international tournament, and then I have a Kolkata Open tournament, which is also a GM norm event. So within the next two tournaments, I would like to complete my title.
And after winning the championship, what you have to say about the organization of the championship?
The organization is perfect. It was one of the best organized championships. There was absolutely no problems. Players were given very good accommodation, and the playing facilities are fantastic. So I am very happy, and I think all the players are very happy with the...
Airport Authority of India has sponsored this Asian Zone 3.2 Chess Championship. What else Airport Authority is doing for chess in the country?
The chess club as such, we have sports promotion schemes, which is not absolutely, I'll say, dedicated to chess only. It is for various sports we are promoting all over the country, and it is we offer employments, we offer scholarships to players. So this is the form we want to encourage various sports in the country, which are normally being neglected and which are not considered very high profile sports or games in the country. And the Airport Authority is taking a leading role in the All India Public Sector Board. So that board is having around 35 members. They are also doing the similar things. We keep on doing the tournaments, various tournaments by rotation and city-wise and organization-wise. So we do within ourselves, and at the same time keep on promoting sports and sportsmen in the country.